Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is all about Thar lights. So when you turn on the car, the parking lights get brightened up. So today I'll tell you about these lights and these projector fog lights, if you can see. And for that we need to get inside the car first. Okay, the car has illuminated ring here, if you guys can see. So to turn the car on, obviously we need to flip the key first, and we will put the key inside here, inside this thing. So this is how it'll look. It does a full swipe and then it's ready to go. So now just see. So these are the daytime running lights. So now they've gone to parking mode. They will not be that brightened up. Now I'll turn on the fog lights. These are the fog lights, projector fog lights, which has 90 watt LEDs. So these are the cuts. You can see the cuts are really nice. They're modified from Rev Heads Chandigarh. This is the low beam. Normal. The headlight is also 90 watt. Now if I do high beam, the projector fog light and the main headlight both will function to the high beam function. Now the low beam. So if I turn off the fog lights, this is how normal light is. High beam, low beam. And now just see the brightness because of fog lights. See how much the thing gets brightened up. See now. It just brightens up even more. These are the buttons. At night they illuminate all these buttons, and here are the AC controls. This is the passenger airbag warning, hazard light switch, and these are the power windows switch. And you come to steering motion controls. These are the audio and volume controls, and this is the voice command control and the cruise system. This area here is to control your MID. If you press this, it will function. Like see, it has different modes. A very intuitive MID. This is how it looks. Okay, you have light on the rear view mirror adjustment also. This is how it looks from inside. And these are the headlight. This is the response of the headlight and the fog light together. ये हो गया लो बीम पे, ये हो गए आपके fog lights बंद, and everything is closed. Now fog lights open. They're like only fog lights. तो अगर आपको fog light के साथ भी गाड़ी चलानी है चला सकते हो. इतना powerful it is. And then main headlamp, high beam with the fog light. Switch off the fog lights. This is the only response to the high beam, and I've turned on the fog lights. So guys, this is the normal daytime running lamps right now. यहाँ का इतना कुछ लाइट नहीं, नॉर्मल लाइट ही दिख रहा है, इतना कुछ नहीं है इसमें. So now I'll turn on the parking light with the fog light, so you guys can now see the fog light. Okay, so this is how it looks. These are projector fog lamps with 90 watt LEDs, and the same case is over here. You guys can see the output. You guys can see the output from here. It's really nice. The अच्छे creases हैं because of the projector. It is creasing out really well. So this is how the lights look only with the fog lights. And now I'll turn on the headlamps. Okay guys, so now I'll turn on the main headlamps also. So this is the output with low beam headlamps and low beam projector fog. And ये दिखता है सामने से कुछ ऐसा. Looks good. Everything is white. Everything is LED here. No halogens now. So this is the 90 watt LED I've put. And if you can see the cut, अभी सिर्फ low beam चल रहा है because नीचे वाला lens is still not working right now because high beam पे नहीं है. This is the cut with projector fogs and headlamp with low beam function. They're like only on low beam right now. Same is the case here. It's like brighter now, very bright. Fog lights.
So I'll quickly tell you the price breakup for this modification. It costed me around 15,000 for this modification, which includes 5,000 for the projectors, 4,000 for the lights inside those projectors, and 6,000 for the headlight filaments.
This is how lights look on low beam. The projector fog lamp is also on low beam, and the headlamps is also low beam. Now I'll turn on the high beam. So I've turned on the high beam right now. Now you can see this is also on high beam, this is also on high beam, and this is how the car looks like when it's on high beam. You cannot see anything right now because ISO बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is the output right now. If you guys can see, high beam, good output. You guys can have an idea right now. See the whole lighting setup. Okay, now I'll just turn on the fog lamps so that you can see how much difference is there if fog lamps are not working. See, you can see now, yeah. So only headlamps are working right now, and this is how the view looks like. See, the main headlamps is really nice, but then fog lights really covers the black point. जैसे ये black point हो गया. If you guys can see this, यहाँ पे black point है, यहाँ light नहीं है. सीधा high beam ऊपर मारा है, तो ये वाला part जो है इसका fog light से cover हो जाता है. देखो, if you can see, if I switch on the fog light now, ये देखो, ये सारा ये वाला part cover हो गया. पहले ये नहीं था, सिर्फ वो tree पे light पड़ा हुआ. So ये difference करता है fog light, and इसके fog lights are really powerful. If you can, like if you want, you can just use the fog light and not use the headlamp. इतना powerful है. Okay, wait, I'll show you the car from पीछे से. Okay, these are its headlamps, LED tail lamps, full LED here, no halogens, full LED.